Hey guys, welcome to my video. So today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to make a wig with a hot glue gun. So first I'm just showing you guys what came in the contents. This video is sponsored by Wigsbuy. So here's the hair, and I got Malaysian deep wave curls in the inches 22, 24 and 26 with a 20-inch frontal. This hair was so soft and so defined. So first you're going to need a dome cap, and I get an extra large because I have a really big head. And also you're going to need a plastic bag just so the glue doesn't stick to the mannequin head. So you're going to want to tie the plastic bag down and then place your dome cap on top. You're also going to need T-pins to secure the hair down and to secure the tracks down to the mannequin head. So as you can see here, I've got my closure actually. I don't know why I said frontal, I thought it was a frontal, but yeah. I've got my closure and I'm pinning it down to the mannequin head. And you want to put the closure just a bit before the dome cap, so like the hairline starts in front of the dome cap, if you get what I'm saying. So you want to pin it down, and I pin it down 2 at the front and 2 at the back just for extra security. So once I've pinned the hair, I'm going to tie it up in a hairband to keep it out of the way. You want to make sure the closure lies completely flat down on the dome cap because you want your stitches to be neat. And now I've got a curved needle, and this helps stitching so much. Like, it's impossible to make a wig with a normal needle. So first you're going to sew through the weft, through the closure, down into the dome cap. And I go over the same spot 2 or 3 times, and I also knot it, which you're going to see. So basically I put the needle through the closure, and then I wrap the thread around 3 times just to secure it. And I do this all in the same spot before I continue to sew the whole closure down. Make sure when you're sewing the closure down to the wig cap that you don't go through the whole layer of the dome cap. You only want to thread the needle through the top layer of the dome cap. So when you get to the end, like I said, you're going to want to triple knot the needle and thread just for extra security so that your closure doesn't detach from your wig. And then I cut the thread with a pair of scissors. So here is the hot glue gun. I got mine from Amazon. So you're going to want to switch the hot glue gun on. And yeah, so first of all, I measure out the bundles and then I T-pin it down. In order to save bundles, you don't do it from the beginning of the closure all the way around until the other beginning of the closure. You're just going to want to do it from where your ears would be, if you get what I'm saying. So I only do bit by bit because the glue does dry fast and you need to work very fast with it. And also be very careful because the glue is so hot. Like, I've burnt my leg, like I've got a permanent scar, and listen, it really hurts, so be careful with the glue, it's so hot. But yeah, I literally repeat this step the whole way. So I measure out the bundle, I do it in a curve shape, I T-pin it down, and then I glue. And once one side's stuck, I unpin the other side and glue that side down. And you're going to want to follow the same steps until you basically get to the top. That's pretty simple. And this way I found that it saves so much hair, like I always end up with leftover bundles. If the glue gets into the hair, it will just like wipe away, so it's not really that big of a deal. So as you can see now, I do bit by bit. Like, don't do the whole way around and try and stick it because the glue will be dry. Like, the glue will be actually dry. Now you can see I've got to the top. I'm nearly done, so literally I just continued the whole step all the way up. I T-pin it down and I glue it. Then I T-pin the other side and I glue it back. And the last one, you're going to want to be very careful, and you're going to want to put the glue very close to the closure. There can't be a gap between the closure and the weft of hair. Like, you shouldn't be able to see the cap. So now you can see I'm applying the last piece of hair. So I'm just measuring it out and pinning it down right next to the closure. Like, there can't be any gap because people will see the gap. Like, people will actually see it. So if you can see now, I'm gluing so close to the closure. Like, obviously don't glue on the closure because you don't want to burn it, but glue like very close to it. And stick the hair very close to, that's like, I can't emphasize that enough. Like, you should not be able to see the dome cap. Like, it should be very, very close, like literally touching. And yeah, so basically I let it dry for about 10-15 minutes, and then I take it off from the plastic bag, I undo the closure, and then yeah, the hair details will all be down below in the description. Make sure to go check them out.